Hello and welcome back to another nail video. This video is going to be short and sweet, so jumping right in, I'm using Saviland Builder Gel in a bottle for today's set, and I start by applying a thin layer of the Builder Gel directly on each nail. Then, after those nails have cured for 60 seconds, I apply another thin layer of the Builder Gel to each nail. Off camera, I went ahead and applied another thin layer of the Builder Gel, so 3 thin layers in total. And now I'm using a little more gel, but this time, instead of applying it like polish, I float the gel down the middle of the nail, then the sides to build the nail up. And these are how the nails look after they've been file shaped and buffed. I decided to do a New Year's Eve design, and it turned out so cute. I can't wait for you to see the finished product. And these are how the nails turned out. So cute. I love them. I love the gold glitter. Super cute. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year to you all, and I'll see you in the next nail video.